Today we're going to learn how to make the sky great in case you have a cloudy day. This is a picture of the eye in London. So obviously in London, we're going to have a lot of cloudy days. So what we're going to do is we're just going to select our background. We may need to unlock our background layer. And this is in version 2022. We're going to go to Edit, Sky Replacement. And right now we have some different sky options. So when I toggle down, I can see different folders: blue skies, spectacular, sunsets, and even more. I could add my own folder and add my own sky backgrounds as well. I could pick out one that maybe looks very realistic. And then over here we have some different options that you can play around with to make it look a little bit more realistic. You can even click flip if you want to maybe click the clouds. And we're going to output to a new layer. I always like to keep the preview on and click OK. So same principle here. Lovely day in Paris, but it's not that bright and sunny. Edit, Sky Replacement. Okay, and we can choose a sky. I want something that's going to look a little bit more natural, even that kind of looks. There we go. I think that looks a little bit better. And again, I could go and add my own options. I can click right here to get more skies. I can download free skies and import some. I could rename a sky and also create a group. So this is a great way to add a little bit of color and interest into what might actually be a very cloudy day. And just as a quick review, this does not look exactly even, so I can go over to my crop and I can click the straighten. I could either choose to straighten the Eiffel Tower, or I could try to straighten right here, make sure that I've got my content aware fill in case we need to add a couple more pixels. And there we go. If I wanted to add a border,